Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing roaties!
Oh, Budgie will always help if there's a problem. And if someone's in trouble, he's there on the double. He'll just grin and zoom off to the rescue. To the rescue, to the rescue. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Budgie was away from Harefield Airfield, working for the Navy, but the aircraft who were still back at base were almost at sea themselves.
Do you think it's getting any higher, Lionel?
Jolly hard to say. It's still bucketing down, but I think
Oh! I just hope that Budgie's not had to fly in a storm like this.
he'll be all right. Last message we had said he was safe on board the aircraft carrier. Don't worry.
So I'm afraid this is where you leave us, old boy.
Yes, that's right.
It's next stop Norway for us, and you don't want to be that far from home.
No, and it's time I got back. I just hope the flooding's gone down at the airfield. Goodbye.
Cheerio! Happy landings!
Carrier to Budgie. Thanks for all your help. Safe journey. Over.
You're welcome. Bye. Over and out.
Attention, please. Attention, please. We have just received a message from the Navy to say that Budgie is on his way back.
Oh, great!
Jolly good show.
We are having some difficulty in making radio contact with him because the flooding has affected our radio equipment.
Say, what's gone wrong?
Sounds as if the water's got into the radio equipment. Bad show.
Oh, gosh!
What's the problem, kid?
The flooding! How's Budgie going to land?
Shuddering joysticks, absolutely right.
Uh-oh!
Crumbs. Seapool's not just by. No wonder no one's around. I expect they'll all be. Gosh! What on earth are those? Monsters! Dinosaurs! Juddering joysticks! I'd better radio Lionel. Budgie to Lionel! Budgie to Lionel! Over!
Lionel to Budgie, I can just about hear you. Over.
Sorry, Lionel! Say again! Over!
Lionel to Budgie. No use problems with the radio here. Over and out.
Lionel, there are monsters in Seapool! Lionel? Hello? Oh, gosh. Now what do I do? I suppose I better take a look. There's one of them now. Oh! Oh, no! It's not a monster at all. Wait till Pippa hears about this. Gosh, I hope she's all right. I'd better get back to base.
Come on, Daisy. Move.
Hop. Come on, you. Hop.
Ha-ha, done it. Good girl, Daisy.
Soon have you home now, old girl.
Right, Annie, give it a push.
Just like Daisy to get herself stranded like that. Never you mind, Daisy. You're... Whoa!
Oh, no.
She scuppered us.
Here, what's that?
It's a helicopter. Hi! Hi!
Oi!
Poor creature. I wonder if I could lift it out of there. The ladder's no use to a cow, though. Or the hook. Ah, I know where there's just the job.
Here, what's he doing?
He's leaving us to it.
Oh, that's really nice, that is. Huh.
There it is. Now, this could be a bit tricky. Whoops. Whew. Mustn't get too near. But how can I... Oh, I know. Oh, blow. Missed. Got it! Yes! You'll be all right now, brown cow.
Hello? It's the helicopter. Coming back. All right, Daisy. Nearly there.
A bit more. A bit more. Right, you're there.
Right, you're clear.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you. Ha-ha! Good old Daisy, the flying cow.
Oh, with all this flooding, I'll never manage to land at the airfield. I'd need a set of floats. Here, wait a minute. That gives me an idea.
Budgie to Lionel.
Ah,
Oh, Budgie!
Budgie to Lionel. I'm on my way back. Be there any minute now. Over.
good heavens, he doesn't think he can land, does he?
Can't you tell him?
I can try. Lionel to Budgie, how do you read me?
Budgie to Lionel. Are you saying something, Lionel? I think the radio's still bust. Over.
So, no use, Pippa.
Oh, dear.
Yep, he could just dive straight in. Doesn't look good.
Oh, thanks a lot, Chuck. Oh, no. I think that's him.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
There's nothing we can do, Pippa.
Just wait for the splash.
Chuck. He's getting nearer.
Well, if it is Budgie, he's in trouble.
Right. Hey, Ken, my feet are getting wet.
You don't say. Could be something to do with the flooding.
Yeah, right.
It's getting really close. Get the doors open.
Wah! Monsters!
Mike!
And I don't think that they saw the funny side of it.
Oh, dear. I didn't mean to frighten them.
You frightened me a bit.
And I was getting ready for the Battle of the Sea Monsters.
Where have they gone?
They're on your skids.
Not the monsters, Chuck. The mechanics.
They're getting dry. I heard them saying that the flooding's coming from the river over there. Apparently there's a hole in the bank. Jolly bad show.
Yes. I wonder if I could do anything.
You, Budgie? I guess it's a job for a big guy. I'll fix it when the flood goes down.
Yes, but the flood won't go down till it's fixed.
Yeah. Hey, know what, girlie? I guess you're right.
Budgie, where are you going?
See if I can help. Well, there's the river. Ah, that's where it burst. Now, what I need is something I can... Aha! Over there, just the job. I think Chuck was right. I wish he was doing this. Phew! Done it.
Lucy. Hi, Ben.
Mum's cooked you some bacon and eggs.
Wow, man.
And there's a pot of tea.
Fantastic.
Nice timing, too. We've just finished. It'll soon dry out now. Come on, Mike. Good grief. He actually moved quite quickly. Someone must have mentioned food.
Yes, the place looked all right again. You did a jolly good job, Budgie. Well done.
Oh, thanks, Lionel.
Only thing that hasn't been fixed yet is the heli wash.
What a shame.
I think you are great, Budgie.
Oh, thanks.
There's only one thing.
Yes?
I wish you'd get some different slippers.
Oh.